So I was talking in my previous video that this is you have you can choose the area that you want, but keep in mind if you want to change a country, you can easily change it. Select a country from here, click on zoom area, and choose the country that you want by clicking on. You can see there is an option here that says zoom area. I don't know if you can see. See, it says zoom area. You can choose the area that you want. You can just click on that, and then you can type Oman, for example. You can see, and then I get Oman map. But because maybe nobody has tweeted who is from Oman, that's why you don't see anything. You see, it's empty. Maybe there's somebody here. You see, there's little blue. Maybe somebody is tweeting from here. Interesting, about fintech. Yeah, probably. I think so. Okay, but the important thing here is that you don't want Oman. You want the world. You know, if you go and check the world map, a global one, you don't find it. You see, there is no. You will not find it. This is very important. You will not find it. Don't try to bring the world map, because you will not be able to bring that unless you change the variable type. So see, there is no world here. There is only the last is Z, but there is no W world. If I type world map, see, nothing pops up. So to do that, you need to change the data type. Again, go to data source. Again, you need to modify this. You need to change that. You need to click on edit. You will come here again, go to the what do you call it? User location. Where is user location? Here the user location. You can see user location. You will click on user location. If you notice that right now you have user location, what do you call? You have region. So you need to change from region to country. Once you choose country, then you will see worldwide. So let's do that. Click on region, click on geo, and then click on country. Let me zoom that. Geo, choose country. Don't choose like region, okay? If you have cities, you can choose city. If you know, okay. So again, geo, country. Say continue. Say click on done. Right corner. This click on done here. Okay, done. Okay, now every time you make changes, I would suggest, but you don't have to. You edit, if you edit a file, if you add, I know this, the first is from global, but let's put it as, say, Oman. I'm faking the data. I'm just to show you an example. Oman, let's say come here, this guy is empty, say UAE, say Bahrain, say, no, that is France, keep it as it is. Okay, so global, let me just find empty ones, but don't change the data, guys. Don't fake it. Oman. Now I have made changes to my data set. If I go to my dashboard, I need to come here. Every time you make changes, you go to view, and then you click on refresh data. Okay, view and then refresh your data so it can be updated. View and then refresh data. Okay, now it's refreshing. You can see on top there. Okay, excellent. Okay, so great. Now you can see now we have Oman map. What you need to do here is you come here again to zoom. Where is the zoom area? The zoom is here's the zoom area. You can see zoom area. You can see zoom area. Click on that, and now you can have by continent. Go and choose world toward the end there. You see, choose world. Here, the last option here, choose world. You can choose by continent, you can choose by the world. Now here, you can see now, just increase the size. Now you have it. You can go to click view. Now you can see that Oman, it shows there are 5 because we just entered. Now there are 5 tweets from Oman. Okay, this is how you create a map. You can change the theme as you want. You can see like themes like back transparent. You can choose whatever theme that you want. I'll just make this one normal one, and then you can go with page number 1. You can add more features. Let me stop here for this introduction to building your own dashboard. In the future videos, we will create more interesting dashboard, and we will use different ways of collecting data in addition to tags tool. Yeah, but before I finish, I just want to mention one more last thing. Let me go to page number 2. Okay, we have here our map. Please play around with it. You can add a lot of charts there. You can click on add chart. You can add a time series, for example, like line chart, time series over here, time series chart. Click on this one and then put it here. It's very simple. On the y-axis, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So basically, you need to put, for example, created. Okay. Now the date is on the created time at. That is the time. I selected. Hold on. I selected created at, so that is the date. And I put that under the dimension here, created at. Now, what you need here on the left side is the, what do you call? You need to remove this string. You don't need it. You need record count. Record count. Okay. Oh, it's kind of crazy. Hold on. Oh no, do I have 2? Oh, let me redo that again. Okay. Oh, yeah, I had 2 all together. So yes, and then on the left side is like the number of tweets per day. Since all the tweets, if you noticed, all of them, they were curated from one single date, April 16th. Let's go to the last date. The last date is also April 16th. So that's why we cannot have like time series per days. But if you have tweets that are like spanning across several days, you would see a line chart. Play with it. Please use other ways of like this chart. Use different charts. Play with it. Record counts from users. For example, this one is another way of from user. Let's say number of tweets. Text. Okay, so the X, the Y we need number of followers. Let's say number of followers. Where is it? Follower count. And then the x-axis, let's see if we can get tweets. I don't know, it will be, yeah, so basically it gives you the relation whether those who have higher number of followers. Okay, so let's zoom that, go to view. You can see whether those who have high number of followers, like this person has user followers count 271 followers and has number of tweets how many? Around 400. This one has like how many? 176. Is it like 176 count? And the guy has how many followers? It gives you, for example. So basically you play with it. You can decide what is it that you want. You can click on that graph. You can decide, for example, click on the by doing that, you click on the bubble size. Here bubble size, you click on this CTD, that is whether you will specify what is it that you want. You want count distinct or count the total numbers. So you play with it and have fun, and then once you're done with that, you can simply share your file with everyone, can view, can edit, and then the way you will submit your assignment is by filling the Google form and by entering the link. That way I can see the dashboard. That's it for now. Please stay at home and stay safe. Thank you very much.